Day 4 of our flood relief camp, organized by Darul Quran and Madrasa Islamia, under the leadership of Hafid Iqbal, Brother Khawar, and Brother Adil, our dedicated team worked tirelessly to serve the families affected by the floods. Following their guidance, the team collected data from those in need, contacted them personally, and ensured food distribution to everyone who could come to the camp. And for those unable to come, food was delivered right to their doorstep. This effort goes beyond just distributing meals. It is about compassion, community, and hope. The leadership and volunteers of Darul Quran and Madrasa Islamia are committed to continuing this mission for as long as help is needed. Be a part of this noble effort. Your support, donations, and prayers can bring relief to even more families tomorrow. Together, under this leadership, we can make a real difference. May Allah reward Hafid Iqbal, Brother Khawar, Brother Adil, and every volunteer who stands with our flood-affected brothers and sisters.